It's a bit of an overcast day in Adelaide this morning. Bit of a change. Let me just show you down by Glenelg. You can see moody looking skies, although it's not cold. It's about 20 degrees. We turn around and that's looking down, that's heading south. Anyway, let's continue on. We're going to do a bit of a walk through Glenelg, bit of an update, see what it looks like since the renos are finished. So it looks like we're starting to get some building along the foreshore of Glenelg here. It's a nice big building, apartment block going in the back there. That will be a nice place to live. This one over here was just finished within the last couple of years, and that's beautiful as well. Prime location here along. While we're down here, I just wanted to show you some of these beautiful original buildings on the foreshore and the way they used to be built. Like, look at the decor of that building, and also this one here. Just the work that went into them back then. So nice. And then you got it changing to all this modern type ahead, which is nice in its own way. Anyway, let's move on to Glenelg. Yeah, we're down by the Moseley Beach Bar. Hasn't opened yet. It's still early this morning. It's only 9:30 still. But yeah, with those clouds, I'm not sure if they're going to get much business today. Setting up the big Ferris wheel, or the joint wheel. Looks like it's getting it once over from all the workers. So that's how they do the windows every morning, apparently. Down the Moseley Square. See behind me the Moseley. That's one of the more popular bars you'll get down this end of the town. And as you can see, if we swing the camera around, the majority of all the works appear to have finished. We've still got a bit of stuff going on this end, but yeah, the majority of the work seems to be finished. So you can see they've done a very nice job along here. They've widened all the footpaths, put these little dining areas outside with some greenery. Yeah, on both sides of the road. They've done a really nice job of it.
I'm out the front of it.
Still a little bit of work going on here and there, but yeah, the majority of the road is done. Okay, it's nice to see they've actually put some traffic lights at this junction. For a long time you were dicing death going across of that road right there. Yeah, very nice job they've done along this street. This new addition seems to be pretty weird that they've added on. So now it looks like part of the footpath where you can actually park there. Strange. Okay, so it looks like the further we head away from the sea, there's more work that needs to be done. None of the footpaths seem to be done here. The guys are still working away. Okay, coming up to my favourite coffee shop this end of town, Feed. Feed does great coffees. Although I'm still getting used to paying $6 for a coffee after paying about $1 when I was in Vietnam. Anyway, in we go. You want to sit next to me? You good? thought I'd do a bit of a walk down the back streets of Glenelg. I've never actually recorded down here. It's Cooper Street. So this runs off parallel to diagonal with Jetty Road, I should say. And in the back here we have a really nice Event Cinemas. It's actually a really nice cinema with big comfy seats hidden away in here. And underneath is ample parking, and if you buy a ticket for the cinema you get free parking. So a lot of businesses just back onto this road from Jetty Road. Still in the back streets here, and then you have St. Mary's Memorial. It's a primary school, really nice school. In fact, my kids went there. And then that cuts through to Jetty Road. Nice little green area they've built here, so you can just sit back and relax in this nice green spot. And this is the latest work of art they've put in down here, and don't ask me what it is. It's the strangest piece of art I've ever seen. It looks like an internal organ and it drips water. Really weird. Notice we're starting to get a lot of these cyclists along this street now in preparation for the tour down under, which is going to start next week, I think. We're going to be getting a lot more of this. Well, that was a little trip around Glenelg this morning. Had my coffee and a bit of an update as to what the street looks like. It's definitely got a lot better. Still a bit of work to do, but once it's done I think that will be an amazing spot along there. Anyway, that's it. Until the next one. See ya.